another update video of the fairy garden on this side of the tower. And I decided that that cottage is going to be a memorial bed to my best friend who passed away recently. Her name was Becky, and the purple camellias reminded her of her dad. And she played music. And she was the happiest, most wonderful friend in the world. She was adventurous and funny. And I think about her every second.